Hey everyone, this is just a quick unboxing of some of the accessories that I bought for my 2005 C200, so that's the W203 model. It arrived together all in one package, even though I purchased them separately from different sellers. So I didn't know that AliExpress can do that, so that's a welcome surprise for me. I have 3 items here, so we'll see. They're not really that major accessory, but there is one in here that I'm mostly looking forward to. So let's see what this is. This is probably the Puddle Light. So let's see. Yep, that's the Puddle Light. So this is a one to replace the boring incandescent light bulb. So this one should, I think it reflects a Mercedes logo. It's LED. One good thing about this one is that the actual light source itself is covered, unlike the existing one where you have the incandescent bulb fully exposed, so dust, debris, well, mainly dust, gets inside the actual light housing. So this is really good. Looks like it's compatible. We'll see how it fits. So set that aside. It's one. The second one, I think this is probably a don't know how to open this. This is probably the door handle. This is the rear left and rear right, I think L2. Yep, so I did have one. I ordered a couple for the 2 front door handles, but I thought, well, might as well change everything. This one do have the clips at the bottom there. The one that I ordered before on the front, the 2 front door handles doesn't have that clip. It's a bit more pricey than the front, but it's all good. So we'll set that aside. And lastly, I think this is the one that I'm really excited about. This is, hopefully, I'm sure it is. They wrapped it pretty good. Plastic and bubble tape and everything. Put that aside. Layers and layers of bubble wrap. Okay, so recently I installed a Dashcam for my previous project car. It's a sort of a hidden, what they call the hidden Dashcam, and all it is really a really discreet way to install the Dashcam rather than having one of those things that's stuck in the windshield. This is meant to replace the housing, rear view mirror housing, but problem with the W203 model is that it's too old. Most of the manufacturers don't support it. So what I did was I bought the next best thing, which I think will fit. What do we got here? Some wiring harness, which I think it will fit close enough. So I might need to do some cutting and drilling, but essentially this is the new house. This is the built-in Dashcam, and this is the existing housing. So as you can see, the mount points doesn't really line up. So what I'm hoping to do is use this as the mount point. I'll mount it on the rear view mirror, and then put it on top. Somehow cut cut a slot here, so all of that goes through. So that goes through, and I'm really excited about this. I've looked at the internet to find a hidden dash cam suitable for this series of the C200, but I can't find anything, even though they advertise that this supports this is compatible with this car. But when I searched around and sent a message to the seller what the rear view mirror housing looks like, they said nope, it's not compatible. So it looks like they no longer support this model, and they're just moving on. I think this will fit the W204s and onwards, but for us W203 owners, I think probably next best thing is to, you know, buy one of these housing that's sort of large enough to fit the whole thing, and then it's not a full replace, but you know, modify the current housing to fit on top, and use that to mount this existing one. So it's going to be, there's to be some drilling and gluing, I presume, as long as that sort of clears. I think I might need to drill a big hole here to possibly make room for this. I think it's should be big enough because this sits flush in there. I just need to make sure this wire go through inside. So I'll drill a hole for the wire. But that's a separate video. This is really just a quick unboxing, which I've done, and I'm really excited about creating a content for the channel, for all you supporters of the channel, and watch this space. So while we're here, might as well try this. So again, if the light's turned on, the trick here is to turn off the cabin light. That turns off the puddle light as well. So let's just go right ahead and take that out. And using this tool, just make sure to give you pull the wire to give you a bit of slack. Using this tool, push and release. Set that aside, and then attach the new one. So that's what the projection looks like. So it's going to be like that. The Mercedes wording will be closer to the body of the car. Close that up. It's refusing to get in. So it looks like it wouldn't fit because that part here, this black piece here, is it's blocking the actual slot. So I will probably need to make that hole slightly bigger to fit this through. Okay, so we're back here again because I want to get this install done. So what I'm doing, or what I've just done, is I've trimmed the fabric all the way, because this fabric sort of wraps around. So I trimmed that fabric all the way to the plastic. Same on this side, just trim it all the way to the plastic. Just make sure you don't cut the
you don't accidentally cut the wire when you're doing this, so be careful. So just trim it all the way, that fabric all the way, because what it will do is it'll make this just a slightly wider to fit this in. So I've trimmed that as much as I can. So now I'm going to put this back. This end here goes this way, so just tuck in the wire. See, I'm sure hopefully this works. Still looks wide, but I think I can still, there it is. Excellent.
And there you have it, a nice and simple upgrade for your 2005 Mercedes C200. And that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.